Today I'm going to show you how I upgrade my 18 star ratchet from a DT Swiss hub to a 60 tooth ratchet made in China. Firstly, you remove the cassette just by pulling it up. Okay. And the ratchet should be here, but I removed it. This is the DT Swiss 18 tooth ratchet. If you look at it, these are the teeth. Okay, and I'm upgrading it to FOVNO 60 tooth ratchet. It's a little bit dirty because I actually used it and I greased it, so I'm trying to remove the grease, but just to show you the difference between 18 and 60. So it comes with two springs, and one spacer. So how this ratchet works is actually it will sit on top of each other like this, and it will rotate when you pedal. Now let me show you the installation of the new 62 ratchet. So after greasing them very lightly, you need to grease here and here very lightly. Put them back in. So the spring goes in first, spacer, then you put one ratchet in. Make sure the teeth sits in properly. And then the other star ratchet, let me just show you close up. Okay, it has to sit in properly with the gears. Okay. Right, and the other star ratchet, put in the cassette. Okay, now this is where you put the red spacer. Look at it. Like this. Alright. Then the spring. And actually the star ratchet you don't put it on the cassette. Actually the spring has one here. The spacer you don't put it on the cassette. You don't just put it in the back. Make sure it fits. Okay, here's the sound. There you have it, 30 tooth.